Hey guys, are we ready to go land? We're in Sydney. It's my first time, amigos. 3, 2, 1. Avalanche! Oh my god, you're shaky. I swear. My god. It's winter, by the way. British biscuits. Wow, look at that thing. Oh, hey Thai Airways. Hey Cathay Pacific.
That's Air India.
Welcome to Australia. Welcome to Sydney. It was in the movie where Nemo was captured in Finding Nemo. Was kidnapped and placed in the tank in the movie Finding Nemo. And Dory, Marlin are trying to save Nemo. But Nemo escaped this to go to the ocean. And the fishing just started, and then they saved the fish. And the ending is the school one. Alright. Welcome to Australia. Oh, this is Oceania Airlines. It's my first time going to Australia today. And guys, I stayed in this country for 2 days, and then I'm going to Manila, Philippines, okay? Please like and subscribe to see extremely cool videos, including with airplane stuffs and all the things. Thank you. It looks like a Boeing 787 Qantas. Yo no sé. Means I don't know in Spanish. I'm not sure if it's a 787. Even though I never ride a 787. Oh, hey Korean Air. What's up, bro?
Welcome to Sydney.
Dab me up.
It's NAIDOC Week. It's time to celebrate the history, culture and achievements of Aboriginal and Torres Strait Islander people. As we arrive into Sydney, Qantas would like to acknowledge the traditional custodians of the local lands and waterways on which we live, work and fly. We pay our respects to elders past, present and emerging. The local time is 7:49 on the 5th of July. Please remain seated with your seatbelts.
And I missed my Duolingo lesson, which is a big old shame.
Please stop.
I'm scared right now.
Switched off. As smoking. Vaping and the use of e-cigarettes is not permitted while disembarking or throughout the terminal. Please take care when opening the overhead lockers as baggage could fall out. Before leaving, ensure you check your seat and your seat pocket for any personal items. If you can reach your phone, you may now switch flight mode off. And on behalf of us all here at Qantas in the One World, we would like to thank you for choosing to fly with us. If you're visiting Sydney, we hope you enjoy your stay, but of course, those returning, welcome home.
This is our first time, kids. Sorry, I just like to call you all kids, lol. Because I don't know why. I think it's just for fun that I want to call you kids, lol. It's like where I just play, like even when I was playing games in Roblox. I was like, yep. School on Rainbow Friends, Chapter 1 and Chapter 2. I play Kaiju Universe. Other games. Alright. It looks like this is the end of the video. Please make sure to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell for more videos. Adios, amigos. Hasta luego means see you later in Spanish.